Hello students, today we are going to continue with exercise 3.3. Okay, so we are directly going to question number 6, that is what problem. Okay, so the question number 6 is the area of a square field is 6561 meters square. Find the length of each side. Okay, so the area of a square is given, you have to find the length of each side. So if I say let the length of each side be a meter, that means since this is a square, all the sides have same length, so each side is a meter. Okay, so now what is given? Area of the field is given as 6561 meters square, isn't it? Implies what is the formula for the area of the field? If each side is a, it is side square, right? That is a square. So a square will be equals to 6561. Okay, so then how much will be a? A will be equals to under root of 6561, isn't it? Meter. Okay, so the side will be under root of 6561. So you'll find under root of 6561 by division method, since we are doing division method. Okay, so firstly you'll pair like this, so we have exact pair, isn't it? So next what will you do? You have to see with how much we can multiply here or divide here. Okay, so we can do 1 into 1 or 2 into 2, not like the previous one, previous division. We'll do the division like we did in the square finding square root by division method. Okay, so then it will be how much? I cannot do with 5 into 5, 6 into 6, 7 into 7. It will be 8 into 8. Okay, so what I will do here also, I will add 8. So 8 is a 64 will be here. I will subtract. So first I am adding this 2, it will be 16. So if I subtract this one, it will be 161. Okay, so next how much with how much I can do? Obviously with 1, because 161 into 1 is 161, right? So I have to add 1 here. So it will be 162 and this will be 0. So therefore how much is a? 81 meter, isn't it? So I got the answer as 81 meter. Then you will write therefore the length of each side of a field is 81 meter. Okay, you write that. So next question number 7, you can do it as your homework, and we'll do the question number 8. Okay, so no, we'll do 7, 8 will be your homework. Okay, because they are similar questions. We'll do 7, 8 question number 8 will be your homework. Okay, so then let us start question number 7, and the question number 7 says that PT teacher. Okay, so PT teacher, you know what is PT teacher, right? Asks 4000 students to stand in a way that the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. Means I think in my opinion such a problem we have done in the last exercise also. Like I hope I think it was about some sapling or somewhat like that. Okay, so it is similar question, but here we have the students. So students are standing in a rows and a columns in such a way that number of rows and number of columns are equal. Okay, means if there are 10 rows, the number of column will also be 10. Okay, so then you can assume it to be x, right? Let the number of rows be x, isn't it? Then the number of columns will also be is also x, because we have equal number of rows and columns, right? So now what is the next sum? Find the number of rows if 31 students were left after the arrangement. So after arranging in x row and x column, how many students were left? 31. Means total how many students were arranged? 4000 minus 31, obviously, isn't it? Because 31 students are left over. Okay, so now number of students left is how much? 21. Okay, so total number of students is how much? Total number of students is how much? 4000. Okay, so number of students arranged in rows and column is how much? Out of 4000, so 21 were left over, so 4000 minus 21, that is how much? Which is equals to, if you subtract, how much will you get? 3979, right? Isn't it? So then 3979 students were arranged in rows and column. Okay, so now therefore can I say x into x is equals to 3979? Yes, because total number of students arranged in the rows and columns can be calculated as number of students in a row into number of columns, right? So number of rows into number of column, in fact. Okay, so x into x will be x square equals to 3979. So x will be equals to how much? Under root of 3979, right? So now you have to find square root of 3979. So if you try to pair from back, it will be exactly paired, right? So next we'll do with how much? 6, isn't it? Because 6 is 36. So next I have to add 6 here also, so it will be 12. It will be how much? 379, isn't it? So next so tell me with how many times we have to do. Is it 3? Is it 3? And sorry, it was supposed to be number of students left here was 31. Okay, not 21, it was 31 if you see your question. So I made a mistake here, so it will be 31 here, so it will be 3969. Okay, not 3979. Then you can correct yourself, it will be 3969 and 3969. So here also 3969, so here also 369. Okay, so I think it will go with 3. So here also I have to do with 3. So 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6, 3 1 is 3. See, it will go with 3. So 126, this will be 0. So therefore x will be equals to how much? 63, isn't it? So what will you write? Therefore the number of rows is how much? Therefore the number of rows is 63. Okay, so in this way you can do number 8 as your homework. Okay, and I will do number 9. Okay, so so number 8 is your homework, I will do number 9. So what is question number 9? The area of the square field is given. Okay, like the previous question, the area is given, so you have to find the cost of fencing it at rupees 15 per meter. So you know what is fencing? Fencing means to fence over the boundary, isn't it? Okay, like we do in our house. Okay, we try to fence it so that the animals or the thieves will not come, isn't it? So so to prevent the thieves and animals to enter our house, we put a fence around it. Okay, so in similar way here also we are fencing the square field. Okay, so the area of the square field is given, but we don't have the side. Okay, so let us first find, let the similarly like we did in the previous question, let the side of a square field be a meter, suppose. Okay, then therefore area is how much? Area is given as 28224 meter square. Okay, but we know that the area is side square, that is a square, isn't it? 28224. So a will be how much? This square will be removed after putting a square root on the right hand side. Okay, 224. Okay, so we have to find square root. So now square root of 28224. So first what will you do? We'll pair from back. So 2 is remaining, so we'll do only for 2 at first. So obviously it is 1 1 is a 1. So if I add 1, it will be 2. So minus 1, that is 1. So this will come in pair. Okay, so 82. Not only 8, not only 2, it will come in pair. So next with how much can we do here? So is it 6? 7. So you have to see, okay, if I do 26, if I put 6 here, I have to multiply with 6. So it will be 26 into 6. 6 6 are 36, 3 6 2 are 12, 15. So if I put 7, then it will be 27 into 7, because whichever number we'll put here, with same number we have to multiply to this whole, okay. So 7 7 is 49, 4 7 2 is 14, 18. See, it will exceed. If I do with 7, it will exceed, so we'll do with 6 only. So 26, 6 is how much? 156. Okay, so we have to add 6 here, it will be 32. Okay, so this one will be how much? 6. This will be 7 minus 5, 2 2 4. So next we have to put such a number so that what will happen, it will be exactly this one. So if I put 8 here, it will become 328 into 8, isn't it? So let me try with 8, okay, because it is quite a big number. Okay, so 8 is a 64, 6, 8 to the 16 and 6, 22, 2, 3 is a 24, 26. See, we'll exactly get this one. So if we put 8 here, it will be 8. So 2 6 2 4. So we have to add 8 here. So it will be how much? 3 3 6, isn't it? So the square root will be 168, isn't it? So we got the side of the square. Therefore E equals to 168 meter. Okay, but we are fencing, means we need a boundary. Boundary means perimeter. Okay, so now we have to find perimeter. So perimeter is given by 4a, 4 into side, isn't it? So it will be 4 into 168 meter. That is how much? 4 is 32, 3, 4 6 is 24, and 3 27, 2, 4 1 is 4, 6. So this 672 meter long fence we have to put around the field, isn't it? Because we are fencing along the boundary. Okay, so if we are fencing along the boundary, so the total length of the boundary is 672 meter. So what is the cost of 1 meter? So cost of fencing 1 meter equals to rupees 15. So we are fencing 672 meters. So cost of fencing 672 meter is equal to how much? For 1 meter, this is this much. So for 672 into 15, isn't it? So it will be rupees 15 to the 33, 15 7 it is how much? 105 plus 308, 10, 15 6 90, 10, 100. Okay, so it will be how much? It will be rupees 1 tens 100,000 10, so 10,080, isn't it? So first what we did, we first tried to find the length of the square field. Okay, after finding the length, what we did, we tried to find the perimeter. After that, we know the cost of 1 meter we got for the whole perimeter. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so in similar way you can do number 10. You know what is Pythagoras theorem, right? Hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. From here you have to find hypotenuse. Okay, so use this and do question number 10 also as a homework, and previously question number 8. Okay, so these two are your homeworks.